So while we're back here, he wants this trunk light hooked up. So the way this thing works is the hot side touches the outside of the light and the ground is right here. I don't know what all of this other shit is. So this is ground, this is hot. If the bulb's good, it should light up. And it just slides on here and makes contact right there. The trick is don't let any of this part touch, because this is hot. So let me check the bulb. It looks like they took this off for paint, because they kind of painted it. So this piece just slides out of this plastic, like so. So you gotta change the bulb. Let me see. Now it looks good. Just kind of slides in like so, and then this piece just, it grips it and holds it in between these two slots. And this is your hot lead. Oh yeah. Now I remember. It's been a while. Don't forget. So we're going to take this like this. Pull this out. This is supposed to slide in like this. Ah, careful, it's plastic. And this goes on here, like this. There we go. Now, it only comes on when the lights are on. So, piece of cake, you turn the lights on, then you got a trunk light. Lights off, no trunk light. Lights off. Lights on. Lights off. Okay. So that wraps up this section. We got the antenna, we got the new antenna installed, and we got the trunk light hooked up. This, I don't know what the hell they were doing. Not needed.